Stay focused if you want to learn something new. Subscribe for more daily content. 1. Brazilian Açaí Bowl. Açaí bowls, made from frozen açaí berries, blended into a smoothie-like consistency and topped with fruits and granola, are a popular and nutritious breakfast in Brazil. 2. Nepalese Momos. Momos are Tibetan-style dumplings that are also a favorite street food in Nepal, filled with meat or vegetables and often served with spicy dipping sauce. 3. Polish Pierogi. Pierogi are Polish dumplings filled with ingredients like potatoes, cheese, or meat, often served with sour cream and fried onions. 4. Australian Vegemite. Vegemite, a yeast extract spread, is a quintessential Australian food typically enjoyed on toast and known for its strong, salty flavor. 5. Lebanese Falafel. Falafel, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, is a popular street food in Lebanon and the Middle East, often served in pita bread with vegetables and tahini sauce.